Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can convert USDT to TON on your Binance application. First open your Binance application, and as you can see, this is the application and we are in the home screen. So you will find this option, you will find this Binance logo. We need to tap here and make sure you are on pro mode. So if you are not in the pro mode, you will find this option Binance Pro. Just tap this option. So right now I'm in pro mode, and make sure you are in Binance Pro mode, right? And here you will find this option more service. Just tap this option, and then we need to find this trade, and here we are in this convert option. Just tap this convert option and make sure you have USDT on your account. All right, if you don't have USDT, then this conversion is not going to happen. Make sure you have some USDT balance on your Binance application. All right, so just to convert USDT, just tap here and select this USDT from here, and in this option 2, just search for TON. This is the TON, right? Select TON and type the amount you want to convert. So for example, if you have $10 on your balance and you are pressing here $20, typing $20, then this is not going to happen. Make sure the amount you want to convert, you have the amount in your balance as well. Just for a video, I'm pressing 250, and this will show you the exact amount of TON you are getting against $250. This is right now, this is live market, so you will find this fluctuating, right? And now after putting the amount you want to convert to TON, just press this trade option, and then after some steps you will be able to convert USDT to TON, and you will find your amount on your wallet. All right, so when you click on the wallet, you will find here TON against USDT. You will find your TON coin in this section of your account. So yeah, this is how you convert USDT to TON on your Binance application.